Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. I will do these updates daily again, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. That's up to you. But we'll do a full update on what to expect, what's possible here. In general, if you watched my video yesterday, you would have expected this. Because what we said is that it was most likely we would drop down into that support level right here at 140. And now we're at that crucial point, because what I said yesterday as well is that, all right, well, if we want to see a bullish Solana, which in these markets seems to be very, very difficult. If we want to see that, then we need to respect 140, or at least the level around 140. I mean, if you kind of make it more detailed, it's this level, I would say. So this level needs to hold, and ideally we also gain some momentum from that. Now, I do think the situation is a bit different because it's the weekend. So it's obvious we're not going to gain momentum from this level instantly. That's just not usually what happens. I mean, if you look at the last weekend, we got some momentum on Sunday, but most of the weekend was just flat movement. All right, but in general, it still holds. All right, so when we're going into next week, I do need to see some momentum and some bullish momentum. It sounds logical, but you can also, in these market circumstances, a lot of people are shorting as well, which is technically also momentum, and you don't want that. So I need to see some bullish momentum, so open interest going up with a positive CVD in order for me to believe that we can actually bounce and turn bullish again. Because the bigger idea behind this is that if you zoom out, we hit a significant support level right here at 125, historically a major support level. And now we are getting back up to the same level we've gone up to 2 times before after hitting that level here at 160. That's what we want to see. And then at 160, we can talk about the momentum that Solana still has and potentially getting a bullish breakout. I've told you this before, but I think a bullish breakout there is not going to happen. Unless Bitcoin turns bullish, I think the Solana ETF news on its own, at this moment at least, if Van Eck is the only one applying for the ETF, I don't think that alone is enough to break out. All right, so the big question is can we get up there? And for that, we really have to wait, all right? I mean, if you look at Solana right now, this is the open interest. What you can see is that the 27th, so that was when the ETF news happened, we gained a lot of momentum. And then again, yesterday, we gained quite a lot of momentum, or a lot of positions were opened. But very, very quickly yesterday evening, possibly after the Ethereum news that the SEC was suing some Ethereum projects, or at least saying their securities, then those positions were very, very soon closed. All right, so that's a shame because that's after we hit that level at 141 and 140. So initially we were gaining some momentum from that level, and due to market circumstances, I think that stopped. Because what you saw then is that we saw a lot of short positions being opened right here, and those were closed again. And then right now, not very much is happening. So we have to wait for confirmation. If we talk about the market structure, I have to be bullish. All right, so just in general, I am more bullish on Solana than I am bearish. I think if you look at this market structure and if you kind of ignore the noise around it, I think it's most likely that, we might have to consolidate on top of this for a little bit, but that we will move up to 157 and 160. So that's what I think is most likely. But I would not trade this, all right? I would wait for momentum to kick in to trade this, maybe a breakout above 146 or something to have confirmation. Because if we drop down below 139 here, then all of a sudden we're just bearish again, right? And that is a possibility in these markets. So that's what I think you need to know, all right? If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.